Alright, let's get started with the collection. We're going to start on our beautiful stacked Speed Queen dryers. Speed Queen. That was the bottom dryer. Notice the tops definitely make more. For the sake of time, I went ahead and pre-unlocked all these. Save a little time here. But let's get it. Top dryer. Definitely the money makers. That one had 2 quarters in it. Hey, 2 quarters is better than no quarters. Dryer again. Bottom dryer. This collection is going to be from Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. A full weekend. Look at the bottom dryer. Nobody wants to use the bottom. Nobody wants to bend down. It's Sunday night, so it's a full weekend collection here. Another top dryer unit. And a bottom dryer razor. So it looked like we were pretty busy this weekend. You know, a good amount. A good weekend here. See what that bottom dryer is. That's because it's the closest one here. See what the first dryer. Still not bad. Time to check out the big boy machines. Let's see what they got in for the weekend. I didn't do much. That ain't no big boy machine. That's a little baby machine there. But let's see what these bigger ones are gonna do. That's a good one there. And that bucket is getting nice and full. So obviously these are machines that are gonna have the most cords because they cost the most. But nice full. See the last two, usually they're a little bit busier because they're closer to the dryers. Let's see, last one in a row. Oh yeah, big money there, big money. Look at that bucket. That bucket. Oh, let's check out the last couple machines in the front of the store. Oh, it's another good load there. Look at that bucket. The bucket's filling up. Look at that. That was a good weekend machine. Alright, last machine in the row here. It looks like it was definitely one of the best too. So, there you have it. It is a Friday, Saturday, and Sunday collection. It's a 3.5 gallon bucket and it's about this much room left to the top. So it's pretty full. So it definitely was a good weekend. Let's go ahead and check out our vending machines here. This is the laundry bags. Now this is probably for a couple of weeks, like 2 weekends worth. Check out the laundry. Time for the favorite part, cash. The coin box is pretty empty, so let's go ahead and see how much cash we got in. Whew, yeah. Look at that stack. Let's see what this one's got. Oh, just as good. It's a good weekend. That's for the weekend. Alright, so now you see we got these coin hoppers filled to the brim. we actually have an abundance of quarters here, so I'm going to go ahead and run them through our very high-tech coin counting machine here and see how many extra we got. So quarter, 2,184 multiplied by 25 cents.